Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and let's today focus on Bitcoin, and I will be presenting Bitcoin's fair value forecast at a monthly average level till end of year 2027. So if you are interested in knowing about the future of Bitcoin per the AI model that we maintain, and especially the future in terms of its fair value of Bitcoin, not the not the undervaluation or overvaluation territory that we typically see in a bull market or a bear market respectively, but what is actually at what point in time, what is the price for Bitcoin which at which it is fairly valued. So for example, the line which is extended in orange, that is the fair value per the AI model. So for example, in December 2024, the fair value per the AI model is 33,700 US dollars. For end of year 2023, per the AI model, it's coming in at 26,100. So that's fairly close to what Bitcoin is currently trading at. It's around 27,000. The fair value per AI model is at 26,000. As you can see, the fair value is a ever increasing line with slight hiccups along the way, but the trajectory is up and to the right. That is because Bitcoin's price so far has been over a longer time horizon has been rising, and that trend has been this particular analysis is the analysis of the trend behind the trend, which ignores the major tops or the major bottoms, but considers the average or the fair value at any point in time. So the line that is cutting through in blue is the line which kind of differentiates the overvaluation phases and the undervaluation phases, historically speaking. Right now, as we are in the bear market, ever since in May 2022, when Bitcoin's price crashed below 30,000, that's when the price action fell below the overvalued territory and into the undervalued territory. Uh, but per the fair value analysis, which is in orange, uh, the valuation is in the later part of 2024 at a fair value is at 33,000. uh, early 2025 or middle of 2025, the fair value is at 39,000, and that's where that time coincides with the 1 year after the halving, where you have seen most of the peaks for Bitcoin, the May or April 2025. The fair value at that time is 39,000, and Bitcoin has a tendency to make a move which is 2 standard deviation away from the mean, from the mean, that is the average, which is in this case the fair value. So 2 standard deviations, if let's say that 1 standard deviation is of 20,000, 2 standard deviation over 39,000 would get Bitcoin theoretically at around 79 or 80,000. This is not financial advice. This is what historical data has supported so far. The other scenario is the fair value in the next bear market, like 1 year after the uh, the all-time high at around May of 2026, is the fair value is at that time it's 49,700. And it would be curious to see what the price action is in that month of May of 2026, if this fair value has 1 standard deviation move to the downside, where the price action is let's say instead of 49,000 at 29,000, which it seems more unlikely, because the lows, if you drag this orange line back to the axis, back to the origin of this graph, you would see that the orange line would slowly but surely trend towards the lows, but not towards the highs of the historical price. By that I mean, the fair value captures more the undervaluation territory, but not the overvaluation territory. So it would be curious to see what the future is has in store. So the end of 2026 per the AI model coming in at 54,000. And just one more price that we would analyze is end of year 2027. um, that is the recovery year, or 1 year before the next to next halving, that is in 2028. At that point, per the AI model, the fair value of Bitcoin is at 68,900, which is curiously close to the all-time high. This is the monthly average, that's why the monthly average high is at 60,000. But if you see, the daily average in the last bull run was at 69,000 almost in October November 2021. So this is the fair value analysis for Bitcoin. I hope you like this content. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like and check out the other USD pairs related bull case, bear case, and base case forecast for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major altcoins out there on the channel. And hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.